Hi gorgeous! Danessa Myrig's here to show you how to fill, sculpt, and define your brows like a pro using Benefit's new Zings Pro Palette. As a professional makeup artist, I love how this palette has everything you need to get a pro look. 2 high pigment sculpting waxes, 1 clear brow wax, 4 silky brow powders, and some amazing tools. So she's taking the hard angle brush and stroking the clear wax throughout the brow. Notice how it's taming and shaping the hairs? It glides on so smooth and soft, not hard and stiff like other waxes. Next, grab the tapered brush and fill in the brow with powder. The rounded shape of this brush gives you soft, fluffy lines. And the key to keeping this natural is to choose a powder shade that matches your hair color.